Hi lovelies, it is Violet here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is not your first time, and if this is your first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we'll be doing mini braids. I have tried mini braids before and it grew my hair, so that is why I'm about to do mini braids again as a hair growth challenge hairstyle to see how much my hair is going to grow out. I don't really know how long I'm going to be leaving those braids, but I'm sure I'm going to be leaving it for a very long time, and I'll be giving you guys updates concerning my mini braids hair growth journey. So guys, to avoid making this video long, I already went ahead to braid the back of my hair and one side of the hair, so remaining just one side that I'll be showing you guys. Why I love making mini braids is because they are so reliable. They don't loosen so easily. You can style them, you can take care of your hair in mini braids, you can moisturize, you can as well wash and condition your hair in mini braids. It is a style you can wear and you don't have to put your hands in your hair all the time, apart from when you want to moisturize or care for it. So I will also be showing you guys how you can make your mini braids to lay flat and not stand, because before, while making mini braids, they are always standing, and that is why I stopped making mini braids. But now that I've learned the technique on how to make my braids lay flat, I'm happy to try out mini braids again, because now I've learned how to do mini braids very well. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I'll wet my hair with water. I'm using this improvised spray bottle because my spray bottle is faulty, so I went ahead to drench that area with a lot of water. I've already moisturized my hair earlier before this. I've already washed and moisturized my hair, but it still feels dry. No matter the amount of shea butter that I use, it still feels dry. That is why I'll be moisturizing with just water, because there is a lot of oil on my hair right now. So I pack the other ones that I've made out of the way so that I'll be able to continue my braiding. So guys, this is where I'll be showing you guys what I'm actually doing to make my mini braids to lay flat. So if you are braiding your hair by putting your hands over your head, you are going to be making it in the overhand pattern, and that way your hair is going to stand. But when you drop your hands like this, as you're seeing in the video, and make your braids, it will be in the underhand pattern and your braids are going to lay flat. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but if you keep your hands like this and make the braids, it is going to lay flat. But if you keep your hands over your head and pick the braids, they are going to stand. That is what I've learned. So guys, let us continue. And if you're still watching, please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, turn on your post notification bell, like, and also share this video. So enjoy the rest of the video. So lovelies, this is the final look of this hair. What do you think? Did I do a good job? Did I do a great job? Let me know in the comment section. Comment and tell me how this mini braids are looking. Are they fine? Let me know. Is this what you're going to be trying out? Are you growing out your hair in this year 2024? If yes, join me in this mini braids challenge. Growing long hair as an African woman is very, very possible. Okay, so let's do this challenge together and let's see how our hair will be by the end of the year. Thanks so much guys for watching up to this extent, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and also share this video. Bye, see you in my next one.